Here are some tips about using cream products. Apply cream products on the back of your hand first for a softer application, or use a brush to pick up the product. I like to use a denser brush to apply cream products. This Hourglass one is great. This Makeup by Mario F1 brush. This face brush from Real Techniques is also really good. A completely dry blender will apply your creams in a more pigmented way and give you more coverage, whereas a damp beauty blender will give you a softer, more diffused look. I personally like to apply and blend everything with a brush first, and then go in with a damp blender to really blend everything out and into the skin. Once you put on powder, any cream products you put on top will separate, so apply all your cream products first before you set everything with powder. But then now you see my glow is gone. I don't want to use a shimmery powder highlight because I want a glassy glow that usually comes in a gel or cream formula. So you can take a damp blender and dab, not rub, on the skin so you're not taking away any makeup. And the glow is back. Lastly, cream products are just pigments, so don't be afraid to get creative. And you can put it anywhere you want.